To sell part of your shares on Etoro, you need to follow a series of steps. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Portfolio section, where you can view all your investments. Identify the stock or asset you want to sell and click on it to open the Asset Details page. On the Asset Details page, you will see a Sell button. Click on it to initiate the selling process. You will then be asked to confirm if you want to close the entire position or just a portion of it. Since you want to sell part of your shares, select the option to close a portion of the position. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to sell, either as a percentage of your total holding or as a specific number of shares. Enter the desired amount and click on the Sell button to proceed. Etoro will then execute the sell order at the current market price. It is essential to note that the minimum amount you can sell is determined by Etoro and may vary depending on the asset. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with selling shares on Etoro, such as spreads and overnight fees. Before selling, ensure you have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance. It is also crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed decisions. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can successfully sell part of your shares on Etoro and manage your investments effectively. To get the most out of Etoro, it is recommended to set a stop loss and take profit levels to limit potential losses and lock in profits. You can also use Etoro's social trading features to learn from other investors and stay informed about market trends. By combining these strategies with a solid understanding of how to sell part of your shares, you can optimize your investment portfolio and achieve your financial goals.